let's see, this is day 3. Stopped in, what's the name of this town we're in?
Adairsville.
Adairsville, Georgia for the night at Leisure Time RV Park. This will be our last stop in Georgia before we go into Tennessee and stop at Pikeville for 7 days. Going to upload this video from the last 3 days onto the computer and hopefully edit it and post it. But we have everybody on board. Bill Dog, Teana doing paperwork, and your host and driver, Paul. Well, hello everybody. If you follow people on YouTube channels, you've probably seen a couple of these here. They're called heavy haulers. Anyway, we're here in Georgia. I had to stop and get some jacks, and here's the jacks. I had to get a pair. One of my jacks went out, but I just thought I'd bring that out there and show you there's one of those heavy haulers. So here we are at the end of day 2 on the road. We are in Canton, Georgia, and we're staying at the Leisure Time RV Park. And you can see it's a very small park. It's a passport. $20 a night on a passport rate. We are right up on top of the office, and you can see we have plenty of cable Wi-Fi, or not cable Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi connection. We're about an hour and a half south of our destination for the next week, which is Pikeville, Tennessee. But we'll walk out here and I'll show you the view up the street. This is right off of Highway 75, about a quarter of a mile on the other side of this tree line right here. Well, property line. It's about a quarter of a mile past that. Those back up to businesses, which back up to the highway. That's looking up well, I'd be looking south, and this would be looking north. And this is looking at the entrance to the park. That is actually another park over there, not the one that we're in. This has looks to be like mostly full-time slots. There's probably about 5 or 6 part-time slots for people that come in, but that's it. Well, we just got on the freeway, and the first thing we saw at the truck pull out for or rest area, whatever it was I couldn't get the camera out fast enough, was a bunch of boxes in the middle of the road that had masks, respirator masks, whatever you want to call them, and they were scattered all about the road, probably a couple thousand of them anyway.